Now what can you buy for £1.60 per kilo and sell for £75 or £80 a kilo? Well, I'm going to show you this little secret that I've had for many years. You see, I'm a recovering alcoholic, been drinking 50 years, and I use this hobby to keep me sober and distracted. It also gives me a nice little earner. I go frequently to my scrap metal merchants and I buy all their scrap pewter. And here they are, tankards and other little gems that you might find. I make sure all the tankards are squashed flat. He does it for me free, so that I can take them home and pour them into my usual stock of reserve, ready for melting down into ingots. But the occasional little gem you find can surprise you and pay for your entire purchase that day. This whole bin cost me 22 quid for 15 kilos. And as I pour it into my stock, which is running low, you can see there, I did discover this little gem, a Bakelite handle, which sells for a lot of money on their own on eBay, and a wonderful little Aladdin's lamp, which just needs a candle, and I can get as much for that as I paid for the whole stock today. Melting down into ingots, but you don't have to buy these professional ingots, you can just use muffin tins and sell them that way too. This is what it looks like. I'm going to get 22 quid for that, and it'll cover the whole day's purchase of 15 kilos, which will leave me with loads of profit. And this little batch is going out for £75 from somebody in North East England.